بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل.
People would make poems, like the poets. They would write lines and they would present it in front of rich people. They would they would deliver it in front of the Khalifas and the kings. And if the Khalifas were impressed by this, they would give them rewards. So this is how the poets of the time would make their living. But Abu Ja'far al-Mansur, one day he thought of a scheme. He posed a challenge to his people and he said that if anybody can bring about a poem which I haven't heard before, then I will give you X amount of gold. I will give you the amount of gold in weight of whatever object it is that you write your poem on. So he set this challenge. So bring me a poem which I haven't heard before, and I will give you, in exchange for the item that you write your poem on, the weight of it in gold. So now this made all the people that wrote poems at that time really stand up for this challenge. So they started writing.
وإن تعف عني فذا يوم عيد وإن تعف عني فذا يوم عيد سأترك يا رب ذنبا مضى وأقبل نحو الرضا والنعيم أحبك ربي وهذا رجاي بأنك تقبلني يا كريم.